We can also add shadows and fog. Now these are on the view menu and we have two options here. One is shadow, that turn on and off shadow, and you can see those here. We also have fog, which allows you to have what's called the depth cue. Now we control these through windows here. Make sure you have shadows and fog clicked on, and those should show up in your default tray. In fact, I may go ahead and pin this so we can see it. Shadows allow you to change exactly what time of day it is. I can change the position of sun from sunrise to sunset. I can change the date of the year. I can change how much of a contrast I have between light and dark. I can also turn on use of sun for shading to shade my faces little bit differently. Now let's go ahead and turn on fog. Now under the fog menu, we have two values here. One is the beginning distance and one is the end distance. So if you want, you can dial that in. So part of this is a fog and part of it isn't. So anything within this range is in fog. As you can see, as I orbit that around, it changes a little bit. But again, I can use this for depth cueing. Let's say I have a large scene, such as a city or something like that, and I want it to be a little bit hazier in the distance. This is a perfect way to do that. And we can also use the background colors or any color that we select, and with both of these we can click them on or off here in the window. Or we can go up to the main menu and turn them on or off. So as you can see, shadows and fog are another way to create visual interest in your scene.